Welcome to our guide on how to keep your garden clean of pests. A thriving garden is a source of joy and fresh produce, but pests can quickly turn that joy into frustration. Fortunately, there are effective and natural ways to keep your garden pest-free without harming your plants or the environment. Today, we'll share some simple yet powerful tips to protect your garden from unwanted visitors. Regular inspection. The first step in keeping pests at bay is to regularly inspect your garden. Look for signs of pests, such as chewed leaves, discolored spots, or small insects on your plants. Catching a pest problem early makes it easier to manage and prevents widespread damage. Make it a habit to walk through your garden every few days, paying close attention to both the tops and undersides of leaves. Early detection is key to keeping your plants healthy and pest-free. Use natural insecticides. Natural insecticides are a great way to control pests without harming your plants or beneficial insects like bees. You can make your own insecticide spray using ingredients like neem oil, dish soap, or garlic. To make a simple spray, mix a few drops of dish soap with water and spray it directly on affected plants. Neem oil is also highly effective against a variety of pests and can be used safely in organic gardens. Practice companion planting. Companion planting is a natural method of pest control where you plant certain plants together to repel pests. For example, marigolds are known to deter aphids and nematodes, while basil can keep mosquitoes and flies away from your garden. Research which plants work well together in your garden and experiment with companion planting to create a natural barrier against pests. Encourage beneficial insects and wildlife. Not all insects are bad for your garden. Beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and predatory wasps can help keep harmful pests under control. Similarly, birds and frogs can reduce insect populations naturally. Create a welcoming environment for beneficial insects by planting flowers like dill, fennel, or yarrow, and consider installing birdhouses or small water features to attract helpful wildlife. Maintain garden cleanliness. Keeping your garden clean and tidy can go a long way in preventing pests. Remove any dead leaves, weeds, and debris that can harbor pests or create breeding grounds. Use mulch to help regulate soil moisture and temperature, which can also deter pests. Regularly cleaning your garden and tools helps to prevent the spread of disease and pests. Rotate crops. Crop rotation is a simple yet effective way to prevent pest buildup in your garden. By rotating your plants each season, you disrupt the life cycles of pests that target specific crops. Try planting different types of vegetables or flowers in new areas of your garden each year. This practice not only reduces pest problems but also improves soil health. Use physical barriers. Physical barriers like row covers, netting, or fences can be highly effective in keeping pests out of your garden. These barriers protect your plants from insects and larger animals without the need for chemicals. Cover your plants with lightweight fabric to keep insects away, or use netting to protect your crops from birds and other wildlife. Physical barriers are a great way to prevent damage while still allowing your plants to get sunlight and water. Keeping your garden clean of pests doesn't have to be difficult or harmful to the environment. By regularly inspecting your plants, using natural insecticides, practicing companion planting, encouraging beneficial insects, maintaining cleanliness, rotating crops, and using physical barriers, you can protect your garden and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Thank you for joining us in exploring how to keep your garden pest-free. We hope these tips help you create a thriving, healthy garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and sustainable living advice.